Mastering frequency adverbs. Place them right. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today's exciting topic is all about adverbs of frequency. As you know, adverbs can pop up almost anywhere in a sentence. But, do you know where to place your adverbs of frequency? Let's dive into it. First things first, what are adverbs of frequency? Simply put, these are words that tell us how often something happens. They include words like always, often, seldom, never, sometimes, usually, and rarely. But the crucial part is their placement, which can drastically change the meaning of a sentence. So let's move on to that. As a general rule, adverbs of frequency go before the main verb, except for the verb to be. For example, we say, she usually runs in the morning, and he is always late. But like all rules in English, there are exceptions and different possibilities. So let's dig deeper. When a sentence has an auxiliary verb, or a helper verb, the adverb of frequency goes between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For example, I have often visited New York, or he will never forget this moment. Adverbs of frequency can sometimes go at the beginning or end of a sentence for emphasis. For instance, sometimes, she goes to the gym after work, or they visit their grandma occasionally. Remember, this is typically used to make a point and it's not the most common placement. Adverbs of frequency usually come before the negative when the sentence is negative. For example, I rarely don't complete my assignments on time. This emphasizes that not completing assignments on time is a rare occurrence. And there you have it. Now you're well equipped to place your adverbs of frequency correctly. Practice makes perfect, so keep honing these skills in your everyday language use. Remember, placement is key. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.